We'll guide you through how to use Replit Ghostwriter, a powerful AI coding assistant that can help streamline your coding process. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Replit website. Log into your Replit account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now, to access Ghostwriter, you need to start a new project or open an existing one. Click on the Create button to start a new project. Choose your preferred programming language and name your project. After the project environment loads, you'll see the code editor interface. To enable Ghostwriter, look for the Ghostwriter icon, or the AI Assistant tab on the right-hand side of the editor. Click on it to activate the feature. Once activated, you can start typing your code as usual. Ghostwriter will automatically suggest code completions, corrections, or optimizations. For example, if you type a function definition, Ghostwriter might suggest the rest of the function's code based on your input. You can accept suggestions by pressing the Tab key or clicking on the suggestion. If you want to generate a specific piece of code or need help with a coding problem, you can type a comment in plain English describing what you need, and Ghostwriter will generate the corresponding code snippet for you. Additionally, Ghostwriter can help refactor code or provide explanations for complex code blocks, which is especially useful for debugging or learning new programming concepts. Remember to save your work regularly by clicking the Save button in the top navigation bar. Ghostwriter's AI capabilities are continuously improving, so it's a great tool for both beginners and experienced programmers to enhance productivity and learn new techniques. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.